guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another Stylevana haul. Sorry I've been MIA for a little bit. I've had a few visitors over recently and I don't really like to film and stuff when I have visitors over. So yeah, we've been a little bit MIA, but I'm back. We have a new video for you guys and it is my June Stylevana haul. We have a little box of goodies here to share with you guys and tell you guys about. I've tried a couple of them already. So I'll give you my thoughts on those and then I'll just show you the other things that we've got. I've been doing these Stylevana hauls for probably about a year and a half now and I absolutely love Stylevana. I love their products. Basically they sell a bunch of Asian beauty brands. They do makeup, skincare, hair, body, all sorts of beauty goods on that website. They have such a huge range of products and such a huge range of brands and I just love it, and I love trying out new products from different brands and seeing whether I find new favorites and stuff like that. Most of the time I will generally find a new favorite in the products that I get sent, so these are gifted by them, so thank you so much to Stylevana. Before we get into the haul, I do have a little discount code with Stylevana as well. I'll leave it here and I'll also leave it in the down bar along with all of the information about the discount code. But yeah, if you want to pick up some new skincare, makeup, any beauty goodies from that website, sorry, the sun is moving, all that will be down below and you can get a cheeky little discount. Sorry, the sun has decided to come right out from the clouds and now it's blinding me a little bit, so I've got a bit of a sun situation, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep going. Also, I'll leave down below all of the links to the products that I'm showing with you guys in case you see something that tickles your fancy. So the first item I have is this here, and this is a sheet mask. This is from Handskin. It's the Hyaluron Intense Calming Ampoule Mask. It's just a hydrating sheet mask by the sounds of it. I love keeping sheet masks, just having them handy, because sometimes I just feel like my skin needs that little bit of extra like hydration, and I feel like a sheet mask just really soaks it into the skin. So yeah, we have this one and I'm pretty sure this has hyaluronic acid in it, so super hydrating. But yeah, love to keep my sheet masks in the fridge as well. Just gives a really nice cooling effect when they're on the skin. So we have that one there from Handskin. Go away, sun. It's literally right in my eyes. Like, it's not often that I film sit down videos, but when I do, the lighting just wants to do me all kinds of bad. Like today. Every time. Okay, I think that's a little better. Let's keep going anyway. My eyes are completely out of the sun now, so that's all right. But next we have a little gift set, and this is from Frudia. I think that's how you say it. This is the Frudia 5-step travel kit daily routine. One thing I love about Stylevana as well is their sets are fantastic. Specifically their skincare gift sets are really good. Great value for money, and you get really good products in them as well. So yeah, I love checking out their sets and stuff. I'm not too sure on their makeup. I haven't delved too much into their makeup, but their skincare ones I love. I've had a few of them now and I love all of them. But in this little set we have these here. These are two of the pore peeling big pads, so I'm assuming they're just like pads soaked in like a serum of some sort, or like a, oh, it's like an exfoliator. The green grape pore peeling pad, VW coppers. This peeling pad melts away impurities and dead skin cells that clog pores to keep the skin texture smooth and soft. Rich tannin is contained in green grape extracts to prevent the secretion of excessive sebum and to thoroughly tighten pores. Hyaluronic with pH that is similar to the skin's acidity balances to create healthy skin. The big pad size is also available for exfoliation of the back and knee area. So I think, are these for your face? Oh, so you can use them on the face and like drier patches of your body as well. So these sound really nice. It's just like a little gentle exfoliation. I've actually been using the Frudia green grape seed extract SPF recently and I love it. I've got it on today. It just gives a really nice hydrated look to the skin. It brightens my skin and it's not overly dewy either, and I really like it just for every day. It's been my go-to for like the last 3 weeks, so yeah, loving that. So I'm definitely excited to give these a go because they're from the same range. All right, and next in the little bag we have some little washes. This is the My Orchid Peach body wash. This is what it looks like here, just a cute little travel size. Actually, let's open this to see what it smells like. Oh, I can kind of, I don't even need to open it. That smells like fresh juicy peaches. That smells really good. So we have the body wash. We also have, in the same scent, we have the peach body essence. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a lotion. And then we have the My Orchid Mochi cleansing foam. Is this for the face? Deep cleansing with dense micro bubbles like jelly, completely removes not only makeup residue but also fine dust. Oh, so this is for your face, so just a little mini cleanser as well. Cute. And then the last thing in here we have is this. How adorable is this little pot? This is the green grape pore control cream, again from that green grape range. Sorry, this lighting is just going all kinds of funny. It's just a little small size of their cream, and if it's anything like their SPF, I'm going to love it. But how cute is this? I think I remember seeing something very similar in a lip mask from Colourpop come out lately in their Winnie the Pooh collection. And yeah, that's what comes in that little mini travel bag. Such a cute little travel gift set, and the bag is also quite nice as well, like if you're taking toiletries for like a night trip or something like that. Put your toothbrush, anything in there. Yeah, anyway, that's that. But next we have this here from Sioris. I love the brand Sioris. Their packaging is everything, and their products are really nice too. This is the Time Is Running Out mist, and I actually had to stop using this. I just got the little size of this one. It is a 30 ml. It very much reminds me of the Caudalie setting spray, just with the oil and water layer. But this is really nice. It's the Time Is Running Out mist, macadamia seed oil and jojoba seed oil. This is just a really good hydration spray. I keep this on my drawers at the moment, just to touch up during the day if I need a little bit of boost of hydration. This is really good. But I want to keep this in my handbag actually, because it is the perfect size for my handbag. Basically it says here it's a 3-in-1 multi-care mist, toner, mist, serum, oil. Mist can be applied whenever skin feels thirsty for a refreshing boost of hydration, which is exactly what I use it for. Shake the bottle to mix the oil, water thoroughly, and spritz 2-3 times from a distance, gently tapping until well absorbed. Yeah, I think I might have to get the full size of this because I have been really enjoying it. It smells beautiful as well. It actually smells like jojoba oil, which I don't always like, but it's kind of mixed with something else, and it just gives a really nice scent to it. I don't know, and the mist comes out really nice and fine too. It's not like a, you know how some mists are really awkward pumps? This is just, look at that spray. Perfect. So yeah, been loving that. That is what it looks like on my hand. Actually, don't mind my hands, they're really dry at the moment. But yeah, been loving this. Literally had to stop using it, otherwise I was gonna finish it before I finished or even got to this video. So yeah, this will be going in my handbag. All right, we've migrated again because the lighting is much better here. It's not a big glare in my eyes. But anyway, the next product we have is this one here, and this is the Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner. Now I did actually get this last month. They resent it over again, but I'm kind of glad. I have been using the other one like crazy. So since I opened it last month, I've actually been using it like every single day. It's just a really nice soothing toner. I get quite flushed cheeks sometimes, especially at night when I've been sitting in the aircon and like the heat's been on. I get really flushed skin, so that's really nice just to go in at nighttime or even in the morning. And just my son's being very temperamental today. You can probably hear him in the background, don't mind that. He's just hanging out with his dad. But yeah, this has been really great. Super soothing on the skin, just cools my face down instantly, and it just feels like so comforting on my skin. It's a great just soothing toner. It's really nice if you find you get quite flushed hot cheeks, or red cheeks, this is a really good toner for you. I have just been loving it. It's going to be really nice in the summer as well for those warmer days. Oh, so refreshing. But yeah, loving that. So I'm going to keep that one closed for now, and open it when I need to open another toner. I've literally gone through about half of this. I don't go through toners very often, but I've gone through about half of this bottle, and it's a pretty big bottle. It's a 200ml bottle. This is what it looks like here. And I've gone through about half of it within a month, like probably less than a month to be honest. So yeah, loving that. And then next we have a serum. This is the Lab Oligo Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Ampoule. This is what it looks like here. Sorry, not a serum, an ampoule. I kind of use them as the same thing to be honest. This is what it looks like here. I haven't actually opened this yet because I've got like 2 different hyaluronic acid serums open at the moment, so this one I haven't tried, but I have seen good things about this brand, like their ampoules in particular. I've seen really good reviews of them, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm always down for a hyaluronic acid serum ampoule. Just keeps my skin really nice and hydrated, and I feel like you can't go wrong with a hyaluronic acid serum. So yeah, we have that one too. How pretty is the packaging too? I love that. I love simple skincare packaging. Alright, and then the last product we have here is probably my favorite from this whole haul for June. This is the Purito B5 Panthenol Re-Barrier Cream. Let me just read the back of it for you, because this is what made me just want to open it straight away, and that I did. It is a, where does it say? Oh, on the back of the bottle. So it's got panthenol 10%, Centella asiatica extract, squalene, and niacinamide. And this is what it says on the back of it, and I instantly opened it after I read this. This rich yet lightweight watery cream is suitable for sensitive skin. It helps to improve the skin's barrier function and soothe skin. That rich yet lightweight watery cream is what got me. That's what I'm all about in a moisturizer. That's what I want. I want it to be super hydrating, but lightweight, but still kind of like not heavy. You know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah, I have been using this every single day since I opened it about 2 weeks ago, and I'm just obsessed with it. Let me show you. It's like a gel sort of consistency, and it just glides onto the skin. It is beautiful. It is such a nice moisturizer. I have put away all my other moisturizers now, and I'm pretty much just using this at the moment, because I just love the feeling on my skin. It keeps my skin really nice and hydrated, but not like heavy. It's not heavy on my skin. It doesn't leave my skin greasy. It also doesn't leave my skin dry throughout the day. Sometimes I need to reapply moisturizer, but with this I find I don't. I mean, sometimes I'll go on with a mist just because I do like to feel like hydrated all the time, and sometimes just applying a mist just makes me feel like I'm doing that little bit extra for my skin. But this is such a great moisturizer. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the difference in my hands. My hands are really dry at the moment as well. Just look at like the look it gives my skin. Like, it just gives my skin this beautiful satin glow, and yeah, I have been loving it, and I highly recommend it. I think barrier creams as well, they tend to lock in hydration to the skin, so you're not losing water throughout the day. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm having great luck with Purito products at the moment. I'm also using their eye cream that I got from Stylevana as well, and yeah, love Purito as a brand in general. And also they have new packaging recently as well, and this is one of them. It's the 58% less plastic paper tube. Like, it feels like a paper tube, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything like that. And it's got a 100% recycled plastic cap, so I think that's really cool as well. You can definitely feel it's not like completely plastic, but it also doesn't feel like the product's gonna seep through the container. So that was the last product I had to show you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried out Stylevana before, any products you think I should try out from there. Also, if you've tried any of these products before as well, let me know your thoughts on them down below. And any Korean sort of skincare in general, let me know things that I like a must tries because I've been having a little shop around lately and I want to find some more like Korean skincare to try out because I just love it, absolutely love it. So let me know down below what your favorites are. Don't forget about my discount code as well. I'll leave it here as well as linked in down below. Don't forget all of these products are also linked down below as well, so if you wanted to shop any of these, the links are in the down bar. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.